in this expressions 26 divide 13 over 4 multiply 4. In this expression there are two symbols, one is division and other is multiplication. So there are two methods, one is correct methods and another is wrong methods. Mostly 99 people don't know about the correct methods and they do only wrong methods. First we solve with wrong methods. 26 divide 13 upon 4 multiply 4. Mostly people do this wrong methods, problem with wrong methods. First they solve multiplication. 26 divide 13, 4 cancel to each other, then 13 only, and now finally 26 upon 13. 13 cancels 26 into 2, so the final answer is 2, but this answer is not right. According to order of operation, we know that the PEMDAS, P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition and S for subtractions. According to order of operations, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition and subtraction. Remember that in multiplication divisions have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. Same like addition and subtractions work from left to right. In this expressions only two symbols, one is division and other is symbol multiplication. So first we solve division. Now 26 convert now according to rule of KCF. KCF. K for stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip. According to order of KCF, when we change division into multiplication, then denominator changed into numerator and numerator changed into denominator. So 26 multiply 4 upon 13 multiply 4. Now 13 cancel 26 into 2. Now 2 times 4 gives us 2 times 4 gives us 8 and 8 times 4 gives us 32. So the final answer is 32.